Hello and welcome to the 741 channel. Thank you for stopping by. Some of you may have seen the post that I made a few weeks ago on the YouTube community tab and on Twitter. What ended up happening was I pulled into my parking spot one morning at work. I happened to look at my odometer and I realized that the mileage on my car was exactly 146,520 miles. Now, of course, that for ham radio operators is the 2-meter simplex calling frequency. So I thought that was kind of a neat coincidence, so I took the picture and posted it out there on social media, and a few people liked it and shared it and whatnot, so I thought that was kind of cool. So what ended up happening is that the guy that runs Part97dotCom, which makes ham radio t-shirts and stickers and things, he saw my post, and just out of the blue he was kind enough to send me this sticker. So we'll throw this on the window of the car to kind of mark the milestone. Now, if you're interested in checking out Part97's website, there's a link in the description below. Okay, so the Corolla's all set now, showing off its milestone and representing 2 meters and ham radio, thanks to Part97.com. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment or subscribe, feel free to do that as well. And like I said before, if you want to check out Part97.com, check out his website in the description below. Thanks for watching.